Walking down the whiskey roads, dusty dreams a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades, hearts are wandering aimless strays.
Select vocal from the timeline. Click on the workspace icon. Select audio. Then click on clear audio type. Click the dialog button. Then select background music from the timeline. Click on clear audio type again. Click on the music button. Click on the ducking checkbox. Click the generate keyframes button. Our auto ducking is done. Now play the audio.
Walking down the whiskey roads, dusty dreams a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades, hearts are wandering aimless strays. Old guitar and a lonesome tune, stars will light the prairie moon.
Thanks for watching the video.